Here's a little oddball tip for you. If you find yourself hunting in the rain out of a tree stand, and just like most of the lessons I've learned in the deer woods, I've learned it the hard way. So, you've been sitting there for a little while. Nothing's going on. It's been raining the whole time. You want to take a good look around every so often and make sure that you don't see any deer walking in on you, because they're going to make no noise on a day like today other than maybe cracking a small twig or something. So once you've made sure that you don't have any deer sneaking in on you, just go ahead and knock a bunch of those leaves clear of the rain that's been sitting on them, just by bumping your tree or shaking yourself in your tree stand, saddle, whatever. Because if one happens to come in and I start moving, getting up to grab my bow, drawing back, I'm going to knock all that rain off those leaves. It's not going to match what's going on in the rest of the timber around that deer. It's going to draw some attention. So yeah, there's a little tip for you if you're out on a rainy day. Make sure you're good and clear and give your tree a little rock. That way when one comes in, it's one less thing to worry about. Shoot straight.